Welcome to Module 2, Individual Diversity. In this module, you will be learning about what makes you as an individual diverse. We're going to be talking about things like race, ethnicity. We're going to talk about multiple intelligences. We're going to talk about our own biases that we have. And yes, we all have biases, even if we're not aware of them. You will be taking a few different assessments. Now, these are online quizzes. One of them, it's through the Harvard website. It's going to take you some time. I think it's going to take about 15 or 20 minutes, so you want to make sure that you set aside time to do that. It's called the Unconscious Biases Quizzes, and there's a whole bunch of different categories. And the purpose of this is to help you identify what your unconscious biases are. So you can choose to take whatever ones you want. When I took it the first time, and I've taken many, many of these, I took one on to see if I have an unconscious bias towards young people or towards the elderly. Who do I prefer and why? I took one on weight to see if I have an unconscious bias for or against skinny people or overweight people. I've taken unconscious bias assessments for different religions. There's just a ton of them that you can take. It's up to you which ones you'd like to participate in. And then you're going to write up a reflection on what did you learn from that? Were you surprised by the results of that? You're also going to take a few other quizzes online, and these are much easier, much shorter. You can do the multiple intelligences quiz. You can do one on True Colors personality test. That will give you some of your unique characteristics on your personality style. And that includes if you're organized or disorganized, if you're a spur of the moment kind of person, or if you're more of a planner, if you're more shy versus outgoing. So that one's really fun. And then there's a teaching styles assessment. So this module is really just getting in touch with you. Who are you and what is it that makes you unique? You're going to have 2 discussion questions and you're going to have 2 assignments. Make sure that you check Canvas for the due dates for all of these. As you know, late work is not accepted. And please reach out to your instructor if you have any questions on any of those. In addition, you will also see an instructional PowerPoint in this module, and that PowerPoint contains instruction on some of the key terms that you're going to be learning about in this class. You're going to be talking about ethocentrism, racism, prejudice, and many more. A lot of times those terms are used interchangeably when in fact they have their own meaning. So you'll be diving into that as well. Remember in the discussion board and in your assignments to keep all of your communication respectful and professional. Sometimes you might get very heated or feel very passionate about a certain topic or against a certain topic. And that's okay. You're free to feel however you feel. There's no judgment. However, you are not free to be rude or unprofessional to your classmates. In the discussion board, if you disagree with someone, it's okay to disagree, but disagree in a respectful manner and make sure that it does not get personal. Any violations of professionalism or lack of respect will be met with disciplinary action. So please keep in mind that everyone has a right to their opinion and their feelings, even if it doesn't make sense to you. Thank you and have a wonderful week.